Hello everyone, welcome to my Dear Earth Love Francis YouTube channel. So this is day 13 and today we're gonna talk about Impact Startup. So for those who are not aware what Impact Startup is, it's basically a startup or any other startup. The only difference is we have a philanthropy uh, action on this, meaning we help the environment, we help our biodiversity, and we also help poor people like smallholder farmers or local tribes or whatever. Okay, so that's the only difference. So another thing about impact startup is scalable solution. So meaning to say that an impact startup should develop any particular product or any particular service that can be scaled to address global issues. So when I say global issues, it doesn't have to be the whole world, but it could be like addressing the problem in Southeast Asia or addressing the problem in North Africa. So that already means a lot, and it's gonna be beneficial for the world, for the environment, for the endangered animals, as well as for the people. Okay? So again, when you say scalable, it doesn't limit only to a specific country or a specific city. It should be for global, or sorry, it should be for export. And it could be like exporting to near neighboring countries, right? So for example, in the Middle East, if you're gonna start an impact startup and you're from Saudi Arabia or UAE, then your goal is to export to neighboring countries in Middle East. Okay, so I'm reaching out now here on YouTube for those who have seen this video and you are an impact investor or an impact startup founder. Then kindly reach to me here on YouTube so we can talk about your impact startup if you do have one, and what can we do to expand and scale this your impact startup in a global scale. And if you are an impact investor, kindly reach out to me also here on YouTube so we can talk about different kinds of investment, particularly those that you are interested in, and we will do a lot of brainstorming so we can find and discuss about what is good not only for you but also for this projects. Okay, but for other viewers out there on YouTube, I'm not really after only impact investors or impact startup founders, but it could be anyone, as long as you have the desire to learn, to help, and to get involved in terms of climate change, in terms of sustainability. So it could be renewable energy, it could be education, it could also be health. So even nurses are welcome here and participate in this kind of philanthropy and advocacy. All right. So in the coming days, I'm gonna discuss more further and deep dive into these scalable solutions, and I'm gonna ask you guys about your opinions if this particular project or that particular project is gonna be worthwhile our efforts, our time. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for today, and let's discuss more about impact startup or projects that you want to be involved in the coming days. Okay? All right, so see you again tomorrow.